Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Now, I don't really do much videos on VirtualBox anymore, but I feel like we should get a tutorial on how to install Windows XP because we should install Windows XP because it's been a while since I've installed Windows XP on this channel. It feels like I should do a proper tutorial, and yes, I'm going to be doing a proper tutorial on how to install a bunch of different Windows operating systems. And we're gonna be doing Windows XP. We already did Windows 1.0 in 2 videos ago. We did Windows 1.0. So let's move on to Windows XP. Even though it's not in order after Windows 1.0 to Windows 2.0, but it's alright. Anyways, we're gonna be installing Windows XP. This will work for VMware or VirtualBox. Now I do have VMware, but I kind of want to use VirtualBox for this tutorial. Don't know why, I just do. But yeah, anyways, let's create the virtual machine. So I'm gonna call this Windows XP. Windows XP. Of course, there we go. And of course, we're gonna use Windows XP 32-bit. That's nice. Let's click next. Let's give it about, let's see, what should we give it? Let's give it 4 gigs of RAM, which is the max amount of RAM you can give for it. Now let's give it 2 CPU cores if we can. Let's give it 1, because I think this PC only has 1 CPU core, so that sucks. Anyways, for the hard disk size, we're going to give it 30 gigabytes, which is very, very nice. And click next, finish, and there we go, we've got it. We've got it. Alright, so we're going to put a file into the optical drive. Oh, the window opened up here. Let's see, what is going to be the file that I choose? Oh yeah, Windows XP Home Service Pack 1, because we're going to be installing Windows XP Service Pack 1. Another thing you should do is go into settings. If you're on VirtualBox, do this. Go into settings, click on display, and check the enable 3D acceleration box, because that's nice. And also set the video memory to the max. Mine is 128 megabytes. You could set it to 256 megabytes if you can, but actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set mine to 256 megabytes just so that I have, a better picture. So then I'm gonna click start, or on virtual machine, VMware will say start virtual machine right here. And I can't full screen it in VirtualBox because OBS Studio doesn't like it when I full screen virtual machines. But on VMware, you can go into full screen and you can put it in stretched mode so you can see it. I will make this bigger though. So I'm gonna make the virtual screen. I'm gonna scale it to 200%. There we go. And now Windows, you'll be presented with this setup, as you can see right here. And it'll say setup is starting Windows. This tutorial will also work for Windows Server 2003 because it's basically the same. You press enter on the first prompt, and when you get here, just press F8 to accept the license agreement. Press enter again to install it here. Make sure you format it with the NTFS file system quick, or else it's going to take forever. So press enter. And now it should be formatting the drive. So yeah, there we go. It's formatting the drive to the NTFS file system. Now don't choose the FAT32 option because that will be a bad idea. But yeah, so as you can see, it already formatted the drive, and now it's gonna be copying some files. So the disk is copying the files right now, and this might take a while depending on how good your computer actually is. If you're installing Windows XP on an actual computer, this might take a bit longer, but yeah, because this tutorial also works if you're installing Windows XP on a actual computer. But when you install it on an actual computer, make sure you burn the ISO file to a DVD, and I'll make sure to have it in the description. So once it gets to this, press enter to restart, and it should reboot your virtual machine or your computer. Don't press any key here, or else it will go back into the setup. So yeah, there we go. You can see the Windows XP Home Basic, and for some reason, it's doing the RTM thing, even though this is Service Pack 1, I think. And there we go. Now we are in this setup UI thing with Microsoft Windows XP, and it's in the setup, and it says setup will complete in approximately 39 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty nice. It's gonna complete in 39 minutes. And as you can see right here, it's installing devices. So yeah, this might take a while. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse. Alright, so as you can see right here, we're on this menu. Click next, and then type in your name and organization. I'm gonna put in Rootwick, and for the organization, I'm gonna put in 7Z. 7Z. Now let's click on next, and now it will ask you for the product key. Alright, so the product key has been entered, and now it will ask you for a computer name. I'll just keep it at the default, because why not? And then you get to choose your time zone, so the date and time settings. So as you can see, it is currently Saturday, August 17th, and it is 1:51. Actually, no, it's probably not 1:51. Actually, it is 1:51. Wait, is it? I don't know. It's 1:51. Let's click next. It detected the time, but it thought it was in Pacific time, so that's crazy. Anyways, let's click on next. And I'll just continue the time lapse. So yeah, time lapse. So now it's going to be restarting into Windows XP Home Edition. Oh, there we go. First of all, I want to check if the sound driver is working. I want to check if it's working. I don't know if it's actually working or not. Let's check. Oh, okay. There we go. We configured the sound driver. Let's click OK. Let's hope this works. Let's make this a bit smaller. Oh no. Okay, there we go. So machine will now be in scale mode. Oh my yes. Title.wma. It's playing. This is amazing. Okay, so it's gonna check the internet connection. Let's click no. Alright, let's continue. I clicked. I don't think it wants me to enter. Okay, I guess we stopped listening to title.wma, I guess. I'm not complaining about it though. I'm not complaining. No! Okay, anyways, it just rebooted. Of course I'm not gonna, don't press any key again or else you're gonna be like, Oh, I just set this up and now it's doing this. Oh, come on. Okay, anyways, I don't think this is Service Pack 1. Yeah, I don't think this is Service Pack 1. Let's check if it is, of course. Because if it's showing the green loading bar, that means probably RTM. And if it is RTM, well, I don't know what to say. I actually don't know what to say if it's RTM. Okay, there we go. We got the start menu. Oh my god. Okay, we got the chess profile picture. Windows Movie Maker's installed, which is very nice. Let's run WinVer, and we got the iconic Bliss wallpaper. Let's run WinVer. I don't think run worked. Oh, it opened up run on my actual computer. It opened up actual run. I was gonna type WinVer, and WinVer just gonna bring up this. This is for Windows 10. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go back into here. Let's press Windows key R. No, it keeps on bringing up the run dialog. I don't know why. I actually don't know why, and it minimized all the windows. Great. Okay, let's just try to open up run again. Run. Let's type in WinVer. WinVer. This is Windows XP, yep, version 5.1. So yeah, that's nice. Oh, wait, did it say Service Pack 1? Oh, did it? I don't know. Oh, it did say, oh, it is Service Pack 1. Wait, what? I didn't know it was Service Pack 1. Okay, this is confusing. Anyways, I'm gonna get drivers. So, it might be a bit different for you. Because if you're on VMware, you're gonna have to get VMware tools. And I know about VMware tools. But, since I'm using VirtualBox for this tutorial, we're gonna be doing it this way. And if you're using a real computer, good luck. Because you're probably gonna have to get, things. And wow, we got, so we got an error from VirtualBox here, because as you can see, it's called VirtualBox VM.exe application error. The error says the instruction at well, I'm not reading that, referenced memory at, I'm not reading that either. The memory could not be read. Click OK to terminate the program. Okay, so the virtual machine apparently crashed. Apparently it says it's aborted. Engrave VirtualBox is open up twice. Okay, so I don't know what that was about. Let's run the virtual machine again. Okay, so I'll be right back after we boot back up into the virtual machine. Alright, we are back, and we can now open up VirtualBox Guest Editions, which it just opened. Now we're going to close this pop-up that says take a tour of Windows XP. And this will be different. VMware tools will be a bit different, but this is VirtualBox Guest Editions, and it's installing right now, so that's pretty nice. You can see it's installing a lot of stuff here. VMware doesn't show you this. Instead, VMware just shows you something completely different, which is just crazy. You can see that it's installing the display driver now, and it's gonna reboot. And now let's try putting it in full screen mode. Don't show again. Okay, there we go. We are in. And for some reason, don't know why, but okay, I think it froze. Press Control R. Okay, so um, apparently VirtualBox is not responding, and it crashed again. It crashed again. That's amazing. It crashed again. Okay, so yeah, VirtualBox keeps on crashing. Don't know why, but it just does. Yeah, so this is gonna be a problem. VirtualBox crashing will be a big problem in this. Okay, there we go. It's booting back up into the virtual machine. So let's close that message. And there we go. Windows XP Home Edition. I don't know what's going on. Wait, where? Wait, no, where? What? What the hell? Huh? I don't get what just happened. No, okay, that's bad. What happened? Where's the full screen? Where's the full screen? We're at 800 by 600 right now. Okay, let's try troubleshooting the display driver. This is just okay. Okay, whatever. I don't know how this is not working, but yeah, maybe we have to get out of full screen mode. Like maybe we do. Let's press Control F here. Wait. Uh, oh, okay. So you have to get out of full screen mode for it to appear in full screen mode. And now we're in full screen mode, which is very nice. As you can see it's in 1920 by 1080, I think. Let's check. What is it in? No, it's in 1280, but 1280 by 1024. 1280 by 720. Okay, that's where it is. I think that's the max it can go for this monitor. I don't know though. But as you can see, we've got Windows XP installed. It's a fresh Windows XP install. It's very. We got all the wallpapers. We got the Azul wallpaper. We've got the accent moonflower. We got the Windows XP wallpaper. Ooh, it's green. It's green. Yeah, nice. Nah, that's the Windows XP Home Edition wallpaper. Have we got any other good wallpapers? We've got. Ooh, this one. This one looks nice. Yeah, we got this one. This one looks nice. I like this one. I think I'm gonna keep it on this. This looks pretty nice. It blends in with the blue. But to be honest, Bliss looks better. Also, you could change it like this. You could change your account picture, which I will do. I'll change it to this. This looks pretty nice. Uh, so yeah, that's basically an in-depth. Let's put Internet Explorer on the desktop. So Internet Explorer help help about Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer 6.0. We can go to Google, I think. Yeah, we can visit Google. As you can see, we have visited Google, but of course we can't go with anything else. Let's try to download Google Chrome. So download Google Chrome. Of course, Google Chrome won't get us that much stuff. Alright, there we go. Google Chrome. Okay, this is not working. Let's click back. Let's try to download this again. HTTP. Yeah, that's not good. Let's try to download Supermium. If you don't know what Supermium is, I'm planning on doing a video about it soon. But yeah, this is Supermium Win32. Where's the actual website? Because we got Softpedia. Softpedia doesn't work. Does the Major Geeks website work or no? GitHub is obviously not going to. Portableapps.com. No. Let's try going to its website. HTTP colon slash slash. Hold on, let me just check what the URL is. Where's the URL? It's something like win32 dot subsys supermi download. I'm just gonna download the setup file and then put it on, here, 32-bit. Sure, we'll put it there. And of course, I'm gonna just transfer the file over. Of course. Let's close Internet Explorer. Of course, this is turning into an this is turning into something else. I need to enable drag and drop first. How do I haven't used VirtualBox in a while. How do I do this? I think it's in devices. No, it's not. It's not. Oh god, it's not in devices. I didn't even click devices. Let's do drag and drop, bidirectional. Alright, downloaded. What do you mean it's dangerous? The file is not dangerous. We're gonna download the dangerous file, even though it's not a dangerous file. I don't know why I thought it's a dangerous file, but it's not. Virus detect. It says threats found. You want to see it? It says threats found. Where's the threats? I don't see the threats. Manage settings. It's a virus. Where did I download this from? Let me check. Oh, Major Geeks is a virus. Yeah, I guess that's a bad idea. Don't download it from there. Let's try the other site, Superview. Let's try downloading it from the official GitHub thing. Oh, there we go. Win32 subsystem.live. Oh, that's the website. Okay, let's download it. Let's download both of them. I'm gonna download both 32 and 64-bit because I'm gonna need this soon. I'll have this linked in the description as well if you really want it. Alright, now hopefully nothing happens. Dangerous download. It's not a. This is not a dangerous file. I don't know what it's talking about. It's not a dangerous file. Threats found. What? It's a Trojan Win32. Okay, let me just show you. It says it's a Trojan Win32. It's that. It says it's that. Okay, but for some reason, the 64-bit installer is fine. I'm gonna try install. It thinks the 32-bit installer is a virus, and it's fine with the 64-bit one. Okay, this is just confusing. Okay, so it's just gonna extract here, and I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, look, it's not gonna work. 7-zip says that setup.exe is not a valid Win32 application because it's not. It's actually, it's a freaking. What do I say? Let's just get the Minecraft. I'm just dragging and dropping stuff. It's not a valid Win32 application. Okay, can we drag and drop, like, what things can we drag and drop? I don't know what we can drag and... drag and drop operation from guest failed. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we get it. Okay, so you can't drag and drop from there, but I don't know what's wrong. Like, I really do not know. Okay, let's just drag this over. Oh wait, that's I want to drag the 32-bit one. Just gonna copy the link address and go to Internet Explorer. Let's paste it in. Oh, it's not gonna show me, of course. http://win32 subsystem.live. Enter. What do you mean it's cannot find server? Okay, let's see what security we have. We have 128-bit. What? Detect network settings. Click the tools menu and internet options. Okay, yeah, that's alright. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, bye.